Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Come with us to IKEA. What you doing, Cassidy?
Plastic backwards.
Look at this shelf. It's only $11.99. Can you please put your shoes back on?
I don't know what a different kind of bed. I wish I could have a bed like this. I love this blanket.
This rug is really cute and it's only $9.99. You can't have two, you have to pick one.
I'm picking this one.
So then put that one back. I so love all the stuffed animals they have. They're so cool. He's still a baby. I love the cutting boards here. $9.99. These are $2.99. They're so cute. This rug is seriously so ugly. Why would anybody want this? Really? $229? What will they come up with next? Oh my god. $199. Yes,
Can we buy
please.
this?
Look at these clocks. They're so cute. So cool. Having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Strawberry flavor? Yum. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Smile.
Thanks for watching. We love you guys. See you in the next one.